Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to create funnel charts. This is the dataset that we are going to use. This is the dataset of a medical laboratory named Hope Diagnostics. Okay. What it did one marketing campaign in one Sunday morning, in 4 Sunday mornings of a month in Bhubaneswar, and it collected the data. Okay. What it did, in front of the park, it had its own team who met different people who come for walking and jogging to the park. And what it did some pre-test. Okay. It did some pre-test. Out of these people, it has found that these many people are having some blood related problem, maybe sugar or cholesterol kind of problems. Okay. So these many people were found to be its prospect. Okay, means these people have certain kind of problems and they need certain kind of blood test in certain intervals. Okay, and the laboratory contacted these people. 800 people are put out of this because 400 people didn't pick up the calls or however they didn't respond, and 800 people have been contacted and they have been asked to visit Hope Diagnostic in certain interval. Okay, like whenever they need, they can visit and do certain kind of test. It also provided them some kind of offer. And initial visit was 300. So out of this contact, 300 people or 300 patients visited and conducted certain kind of test. Okay. Then membership was also offered for special discount. 100 people out of these 300 people agreed to take membership by paying certain fee. Okay. After taking this, what happens? Revisit. Only 50 people will they did the revisit. For this, you can see it is a kind of funnel kind of things. Okay. So you see this is 1200, then 800. The constantly the values is decreasing. Okay. In this case, we can also use this funnel chart. Let us create one. Let us select the data. Okay. We have here, okay, under insert chart, all chart, funnel. We have a funnel. We can have this. You can see this is okay. Why this chart is used? Basically, we intend to understand that where is the leakage when the company is spending for marketing, did some marketing drives, and where are the leakages? Why people are not able to turn up? So you see here 1200 prospects we got, here 800. Okay, 400 minus here it is 300. So you see the difference. 800 people have been found to have certain problems. They need frequent test or they need certain kind of medical test or the frequent medical interval or frequent interval of time. So you see 800 become 300. Okay, so there is a lot of leakages. So laboratory must think of this. Though people are having the problem, why they are not visiting? Okay, once they visited, membership agreed. You see 100 people. Once again, here are also leakages. It is not even the 50%. Okay, and revisit out of this 100, we are getting 50 people who are revisiting out of this. That means there is the number is receding in the that continuous continuously. Okay, so you see this is chart I have created in Microsoft Excel 2021. Suppose you have a version Microsoft Excel version like lower than 2016, you will not be able to get this chart. And how you are going to create this chart? What we will do, let us see. There is another way we can also create this chart. Let us select here. Let me copy this. What I will do, I will create one empty cells here, and this cell is also empty. what I will do here, I will create a stack bar chart. Okay, here you see, uh, first one is 1200. I will put it, this total has to be 1200, 0 and 0. Okay, then contacted, you see, this is 800, means 400 people didn't turn up. Therefore, what I will do, equal to, I will do equal to here, equal to this value minus this value. Okay, let me close the bracket, divided by 2. Okay, this is 200, and here also similar kind I also will do this value. Let me start with the bracket, this value minus this value. Okay, bracket close, divided by 2. Okay, I am getting this 400. Okay, then equal to this value, or let me start with bracket, this value minus this 100, close the bracket, divided by 2. Okay, here also I can also do the same thing. Okay, so equal to bracket, this value minus this value, divided by 2. Okay, so this side also equally I will show 200 I am getting, and I will drag it now. Okay, so this is the formula, you will get it. So I am getting, if you see all total, it will be the sum. If you see, this has to be, because we are creating this funnel chart for the students who are not having the Excel version, that is 2021. Okay, where this funnel chart is not available, you can see everything is becoming 1200. What I will do, let me delete this, this is not required. Okay, I will create a funnel chart now. So funnel chart, to because in this case, what I will do, I will create a bar chart, stacked bar chart, and I will edit. Let me see. Okay, then insert recommended chart. We have bar charts here. This is the stacked bar chart. You can see this is the stacked bar chart. It is in the reverse direction. So what I will do, I will change it. Change the color, format, this color, fill color. So I do not want any color here. It is becoming dark. Okay. Then this side white it is becoming. I will also edit this, no color, you see. Now what I need to do, I have to reverse this. See, this is the opposite direction. Therefore, what I would like to do, I will reverse this. Axis, I will change format axis. Under format axis, what I will do, we have format, we have category in reverse order. You can see we are getting this. Okay, this is the series 1, series 2. You see what is the series 1? So we have this. We have two series. We have taken. Okay, this is the label. This is the people. Okay, what I can do here, I can select chart design, add chart element, chart label at the center. So now it is coming clearly. You can see. Okay, I am getting. So this is how we can, if we are not using advanced version of Excel like 2016 plus editions, okay, versions, then we can also create funnel chart like this. We can write also, this is the Hope Diagnostics, that data or something, whatever you want, you can add a suitable title. That's for the lesson. See you in the next one.